Hi folks, this is a tutorial to show you how to set up your first lab. I gotta do this within less than 5 minutes, okay? 3 to 5 minutes on this video, so I'm gonna have to talk pretty fast here. I've screen captured the screen that you're looking at. When you load your Visual Studio 2010, it should look something like this. Start out with File, New, Project. This is what you want to select as you're creating an entire project. So I'm going to create an entire project, not a particular file. It needs to be a project. So you click on Project, and I would like for you to navigate. This is the 5 checkpoints I would like for you to select: Visual C++, Win32, Win32 console application. Inside of this, you have the name. Now I'm going to call this thing My First Program. Okay, so just one word. Keep your identifiers naming same as what you did for your identifiers back then with it. So no special characters. Don't start with a number. One word that's what you say. I'm going to navigate to a particular directory where I'm going to save things to that we can actually use later with it. For me, I'm going to put this on my computer, my local drive. I have a data drive, and then I have it's under my web, and then I want to navigate to my computer science online class. I'm going to do this as my lab. I'm going to have this as my lab, one of my labs that I have right now. Okay, so let's do this thing. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this folder in here My First Program. Okay, click OK. So it will give me the path where I want to save it to. 5 things I need for you to realize. 1 is the Windows 32 underneath the Visual Studio on the left hand side in the recent template. The second one is Win32 console application. Please have this selected. The third is the name of the program. The fourth is the directory, the location where this is stored. The next one is create directory for solution that needs to be disabled. So in your lab, you need to list out specifically to do these 5 things for me. You can put this in bullets, take this screenshots, and put this on Photoshop. I don't care, but you need to point out these 5 checkpoints with it. Once you do that, you click OK. And you click on Applications and Settings. Applications and Settings over here on the left-hand side. You enable, make sure you enable the empty project for me, where it says additional options, where it says empty project, and click on Finish. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The next part I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about the first Hello World program with it. So I'm going to save this thing, I'm going to stop this thing, and this is what it should look like on the left hand side. Okay, so bear with me. I'm going to stop this recording.